Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Spritz Cookie Press is probably one of the most versatile and fun baking tools you can have in your kitchen. Today, we are diving deep into this amazing gadget, exploring its functionalities, and providing you with a comprehensive guide on how to use it to create a wide array of delicious and beautifully decorated cookies, perfect for any occasion, from casual weeknight treats to elegant holiday gatherings. We'll cover everything from choosing the right press to mastering different techniques and troubleshooting common issues. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press. Tired of uneven cookies? This set makes creating consistent, beautiful cookies effortless. It's the perfect tool for baking enthusiasts of all levels. It comes with 12 durable, stainless steel discs. You'll find the perfect design for any occasion, from holiday classics to unique shapes. The non-slip base keeps it steady while you work, and the large lever is comfortable to use, even for many cookies. Say goodbye to hand cramps. It's designed for easy filling and cleaning. Simply take it apart and wash the pieces, it's that simple. The clear body lets you easily monitor how much dough is left. Plus, it's made with BPA-free materials for your peace of mind. All the discs are neatly stored in a convenient case. Keep it organized and ready for your next baking adventure. What we like? It creates consistent, beautiful cookies thanks to its durable design. The press is easy to clean, saving you time and effort after baking. If you value ease of use and consistent results, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Wilton Preferred Press Cookie Set. It's time to create stunning Spritz cookies. This versatile cookie press makes baking fun and easy. With 12 different cookie shapes included, you can make Christmas cookies, Halloween cookies, or any other design you can imagine. It's not just for cookies. This tool can also be used for cake decorating, adding a touch of elegance to your creations. The comfortable grip and see-through design make it easy to use and monitor your dough levels. You'll be making cookies in no time. Simply hand wash it with warm, soapy water and it's ready for your next baking adventure. No more messy cleanups. This kit includes the cookie press and 12 different shape discs. Everything you need to make perfect cookies is right here. What we like? Its versatility makes it perfect for various occasions and cookie designs. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even for large batches. If you're looking for a comfortable and versatile option with a variety of shapes, this is for you. What people say? The discs are sturdy. The shapes come out nicely. It is super easy to use and the discs are metal, not the cheap, flimsy plastic. This was my first time using a cookie press and it was not easy to use. The easiest part was squeezing the handle to get the right amount of dough out. Number 3. Ourokhome Cookie Press Gun Kit. This innovative kit makes baking cookies easier than ever. Say goodbye to rolling and cutting, simply fill, press, and create. With its simple design, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. Make dozens of uniform, beautiful cookies in minutes. It comes with 16 interchangeable discs and 6 icing tips, so you can create a wide variety of shapes and designs. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use without hand strain. It's made of food-grade materials for safety and durability. All parts are detachable for thorough cleaning. Simply wash with mild soap and water for quick and easy maintenance. It's ideal for holiday baking, parties, or any time you want to impress with delicious homemade cookies. Make baking fun and enjoyable. What we like? This press offers an impressive number of discs and tips, giving you endless creative options. It's incredibly easy to use, making cookie making a breeze. If you love variety and want a simple, easy to clean option, this one's for you. What people say? Update: I changed my rating from 4 to 5 stars. I purchased a much more expensive press and returned it and I have to say, this less expensive one works great. I just made a batch of Spritz cookies. I had no butter, so I used baking margarine. The dough was much softer and stickier than had I used real butter. This press handled it like a champ. Even with the softer dough, cookie shapes came out perfectly. I was amazed at how well it worked. I was used to twisting and turning the old aluminum one I had and having a difficult time getting the dough to come out. This one was effortless. A simple pull on the trigger and the right amount of dough was dispensed. I made 2 trays of cookies in no time. Refilling was a snap. Cleaning it was easy as well. It all comes apart so all crevices are easy to clean. When I purchased this I wasn't sure how easy it would work because the price was so reasonable. Very strong plastic parts. If you haven't used one, there are very sketchy directions. The dough or filling needs to be quite soft. Far surpasses the one that just broke. Number 2. Marcato Atlas Biscuit Maker. This is the Marcato Atlas Biscuit Maker, a fantastic tool for creating delicious homemade biscuits. It's made in Italy and makes baking easy and fun. Say goodbye to rolling and cutting dough. It presses your dough into perfect shapes every time, saving you time and effort. It's crafted from high-quality anodized aluminum, steel, and ABS for durability and long-lasting performance. You'll enjoy it for years to come. It comes with 20 different disc shapes, so you can create a wide variety of beautiful and delicious biscuits. Let your creativity run wild. Cleaning up is a breeze. It's recommended to hand wash it for best results, ensuring it stays in top condition. With its classic silver design and Italian craftsmanship, it's a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Enjoy the quality and style. What we like. With its impressive 20 disc shapes, you'll have a wide array of options for your cookies. It's made in Italy with high-quality, durable materials. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and a large selection of shapes, this is the one for you. What people say. The pieces come apart easily and wash with hardly any effort. Because this one is mechanical and it's not plastic, it works perfectly, is easy to use and easy to clean. Everything is well made, metal, cleans easy, and presses like a dream. Number 1. Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press. This innovative cookie press makes baking fun and easy. It comes with everything you need to create delicious, perfectly shaped cookies. It features 14 different steel discs, so you can make a wide variety of cookies. Each disc creates a unique shape and design. 6 decorating tips are included to add extra flair to your cookies. Get creative and personalize your treats. Cleaning up is a breeze. It's completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. A handy storage box keeps everything organized and ready for your next baking adventure. All the pieces are neatly stored in one place. We've included some delicious recipes to get you started. Let your creativity flow and experiment with different flavors and designs. What we like. It comes with a generous number of discs and decorating tips, offering a lot of creative possibilities. The dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup a snap. If convenience and easy cleanup are your priorities, this is the ideal choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.